Guys, this is so not. I can't live stream. Like on any YouTube. Look, if I do this. Oh, okay, that's normal. I do this, that. I do this. I press that. I have to go check it. This is. Look, I try to go live. How to get it? Copy that. Go here. Press on docs. Press on custom browser. Do the thing. Press apply. Nothing happens. It's so dumb.